Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your educator G. Vijay Manorama. As I have already covered the biological classifications chapter, today I am going to cover the MCQs, important MCQs. This is part 1. So these questions are very much useful for your NEET preparation as well as your class 11th. Class 11th and NEET, both the preparation. These MCQs are very much useful for you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Telegram channel. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक भी दिया हुआ है. ओके, you can just join me there in that group and you can ask your doubts. Anything regarding biology, physics and chemistry you can ask. I am there to clarify, but I am teaching here biology in this channel for class 11th and class 10th science. Okay, chalo. So which of the following organisms can be found in extreme saline conditions? It is eubacteria, archaeobacteria, cyanobacteria or mycobacteria. It is archaeobacteria. Okay, Linnaeus used which kingdom of classification? It is artificial system of classification. Smallest taxon of classification is kingdom, family, variety, species. It is species. Okay, which of the following processes are involved in the reproduction of Protista? It is cell fusion and zygote formation. So cell fusion, binary fission and fragmentation is given, so that was wrong. Fission is given but it is a fusion. Okay, so spore formation and fragmentation, budding and spore formation, everything is wrong. The answer is cell fusion and zygote formation. In prokaryotes, the genetic material is linear DNA with histones, circular DNA with histones, or linear DNA with histones without histones, and circular DNA without histones. It is linear DNA with histones. Which of the following bacteria carry out oxygenic photosynthesis by means of photosynthetic apparatus similar to the eukaryotes? Here purple sulfur bacteria, green sulfur bacteria and cyanobacteria. More than one option is correct. That option is given. That's why that you have to choose, as two answers are here. Right. Regarding these questions or anything, if you have any doubts, you can just ask me. Okay. Bacteria is a group of prokaryotic organisms which is characterized by simple structure and complex behavior. Right. What may be a photosynthetic protistian of two and one biologist may be a plant to another? Which of the given below features of slime molds shows linkage with the plant? It is the slime molds with cellulosic spore wall. Okay, cellulosic spore wall. Slime molds which are having cellulosic spore wall. Okay. In which of the following kingdom are archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms are classified? It is Monera. Okay, Bentham and Hooker gave which system of classification? It is natural system of classification. What is the main basis of classification in the 5 kingdom system? It is mode of nutrition. Okay, structure and nucleus, structure of cell wall, asexual reproduction, mode of nutrition. The 5 kingdom system was given by based on the mode of nutrition. Okay, which of the following statements is false about the fungi? Fungi generally possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. Okay, African sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma tangula, Trypanosoma rhodesiensis, or Trypanosoma gambians. It is Trypanosoma gambians. Okay, Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called vernacular, monomial or polynomial or binomial. Linnaeus has evolved a system of nomenclature that is called as binomial nomenclature. Right? What is a taxon? Taxon of a group of any ranking is called as taxon. Phylogenetic classification is based on overall similarities, habit of plants, or common evolutionary descendants. It is common evolutionary descendants. Phylogenetic means evolution, which is related to the evolution. Static concept of species was proposed by Darwin, Theophrastus, or Linnaeus, or De Candolle. It is Linnaeus. Okay. The protists have which of the following? Free nucleic acid aggregates or nucleoprotein in direct contact with the rest of all the substance, or membrane bound nucleoproteins within the cytoplasm. Nucleoproteins condensed together in a loose mass. Okay, membrane bound nucleoproteins within the cytoplasm. Okay, genes of tobacco mosaic virus are double stranded RNA, single stranded RNA, double stranded DNA, or proteinaceous substance. It is single stranded RNA. Next, blue-green algae belong to which group? They are prokaryotes. Who wrote the book Genera Plantarum? It is Linnaeus has written the book Genera Plantarum. Theo Denier discovered bacteriophage, infectious protein, free infectious DNA, or free infectious RNA. Theo Denier was discovered. He has discovered free infectious RNA. ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, but Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, or Indian Congress of Biological Names, or Indian Congress of Botanical Nomenclature. It is actually International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, ICBN. Very, very important multiple choice it is. Two animals which are the members of the same order must also be the members of the same class. Then only it is possible to identify their features. Bacteria lack alternation of generation because there is neither syngamy nor reduction division. Okay, only 25 questions I have chosen. So next session I will come with some more 25 questions. Okay. Okay, then bye bye. Take care all of you. Be strong, be confident. All the best. Thank you.